Hola amigos, soy Adriana, embajadora de marca con Spanish 55. I'm curious, what was your first word as a baby? Mine was gracias. I'm kidding, it was mama. But please and thank you are the first manners we learn. And today you are going to learn the different ways you can be grateful in español. Yo estoy muy agradecida de que estés aquí. Para que nunca te pierdas de aprender español con nosotros, suscríbete haciendo clic al botón rojo. Let's start with the basic ways to say thank you. You can use these when you want to thank someone for showing you a location, giving up their seat for you, or letting you go ahead of them in line. Gracias means thank you or thanks. Muchas gracias means many thanks or thank you very much. Mil gracias means 1,000 thanks. You can also say un millón de gracias, which means thanks a million if you're really in the mood for thanking someone. And lastly, we have muchísimas gracias. Have you ever heard of the augmentative ísimo or ísima in Spanish? Since it makes everything bigger, saying muchísimas gracias makes the expression so much more intense than a simple thank you or even more than a muchas gracias, making it mean thanks a lot or thanks a ton. Now let's get a little more advanced. Let's learn 3 gratitude words that are used as a base to express your gratitude in different situations. The first word is agradecer. The verb agradecer means to appreciate or to thank. It's an irregular verb that's conjugated like conocer, to get to know. Agradecer, when conjugated, is normally used in the first person, both singular and plural. Le agradezco la ayuda. I thank you for your help. Le agradecemos la ayuda. We thank you for your help. Te lo agradezco or se lo agradezco. I thank you. The first person of the verb agradecer is the most commonly used. We use te with friends and family and se with people we're not so close to. It's also very common to add one of 2 expressions to the end of this construction, such as de todo corazón. Te agradezco de todo corazón. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Or te lo agradezco en el alma. From the bottom of my soul, from the innermost parts of my being, I thank you so much. The expression estar agradecido, to be thankful, is also normally used in the first person. Bear in mind that agradecido is an adjective, so it has to agree in gender and number with the subject of the sentence. For example, if you identify as male in a formal setting, you would say, estoy muy agradecido por su ayuda. If you identify as female in a formal setting, you would say, estoy muy agradecida por su ayuda, meaning I am very thankful for your help. If it is a plural female gender, you would say, estamos muy agradecidas por su ayuda. A plural mixed gender, you would say, estamos muy agradecidos por su ayuda. We are very thankful for your help. Finally, the noun agradecimiento, gratitude, can be used in rather formal contexts. It's not very often used in everyday conversations, but when it appears, it tends to be part of the expressions mostrar agradecimiento, to show gratitude, or en agradecimiento, with gratitude, como señal de agradecimiento, as a sign of gratitude, or como muestra de agradecimiento, as a token of gratitude. Here are some example phrases. Quiero mostrarles mi agradecimiento a todos los voluntarios. I want to show my gratitude to all of the volunteers. Le envió flores como señal de agradecimiento. He sent her flowers as a sign or as a token of gratitude. Our next gratitude word is apreciar. The verb apreciar means to appreciate, and it's much like the verb agradecer. It's a regular verb, so not so complicated when it comes to conjugation. We use this verb when we want to say a little bit more than just a simple thank you. When you use apreciar, you also explain why you're thankful and mention the thing for which you appreciate. For example, aprecio mucho tu honestidad. I really appreciate your honesty. Aprecio que hayas venido a verme. I appreciate you having come to see me. Next, we have dar las gracias, to give thanks. Dar las gracias is probably the most commonly used verb of the 3 on this list. It means to give thanks, and it's used both in formal and informal situations. When you want to mention what you're thankful for. Queremos darte las gracias por tu ayuda. We want to thank you for your help. Me dio las gracias por decir la verdad. He thanked me for telling the truth. And finally, muchas gracias por todo. Thank you very much for everything. This is a very common way of thanking someone for everything they've done for you without having to be specific. Being grateful is a great attitude to have in life. I believe that the more grateful you are, the more things come into your life to be thankful for. So tell me, what are you thankful for today? Tell me in Spanish in the comments below. Hoy estoy muy agradecida por mi sistema de calefacción en casa. I am very grateful for the heating system at home because I'm not so very good with it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can get a ping for the next video. If you'd like to learn Spanish in a fun, affordable, and effective way, I invite you to check out what the Spanish 55 team has to offer at Spanish55.com. Keep being grateful, my friends. Hasta la próxima, and I'll see you in the next video.